Okay, this is the ring and pinion off this Suburban, what I thought was a Tahoe, making the really loud noise. There's a video just a few before this one. I'll try and time all together with the screaming noise out of the rear end. What we found is we found a couple bad spots in these bearings over here. As you can see right there, they're kind of chewed up. But the other side is utterly destroyed. All these pits should not be here that you see. It should be much smoother like this, but there's even metal coming out of these. So we're going to replace all the bearings, all the seals, and make this thing good as new again. They caught it just in time. Otherwise, any further than this limited slip assembly and this ring and this pinion would have been destroyed, and that could have easily added thousands of dollars more. Noisy rear end. Thanks for watching.